Greetings, traders. So I have been spending a lot of time getting everything set up to make a new course up for trading again. And I got myself, as you can see right down there, a new computer. This is for editing 4K video. It's a $5,000 computer. And I got myself some monitors here to do the video editing with. The middle one is a 4K monitor. And I got a video camera, Sony 4K video camera to record video with. And of course, I've got my 6 monitor setup here with a real nice, monitor mount there to hold the monitors. It's a real nice, that's made in China. The funny part is that I had it sent from the USA all the way to Thailand, and when I got the package, it said made in China. I was like, oh, well, I could have just ordered it from China then. Anyway, and of course I've got my trading computer there. It's a pretty powerful computer. It was only about $3,000 or something like that, but it's pretty powerful. And then of course I've got this. This is a $5,000 television, 65-inch Samsung QLED. It's a real nice TV, and I got it specifically for recording the course. And everything has been going really good. And here's the thing. While recording the course, or getting ready to anyway, I made a major discovery. And you can imagine how big this discovery is. It basically, in a nutshell, makes the code 1 and code 2 obsolete. And I'm going to start demonstrating this, how well this actually works. And I'm going to do it with multiple different instruments. It works on all instruments the same. And anyway, I got a nice television to watch movies and play video games on, I suppose. Like to race cars. Anyway, this thing that I found, I'm still trying to think of a name for it. I might call it code 3. I might call it the ultimate code, but it is like nothing else. And what really shocks me is that it was there the whole time and I never saw it. This is like a huge breakthrough. I wouldn't even bother to teach code 1 or code 2 anymore. And in fact, there really isn't a code 2. It was all an illusion. There is a different, better, bigger code that we can use that is pretty amazing. Actually, it is mind-boggling amazing. I'm trying to hold back my excitement for it, but yeah, it's mind-boggling amazing, and you are not going to believe it. I can just tell you that right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the course up on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach this course in a completely different way than what I had anticipated teaching it. A completely and totally different way. I'm not even going to teach it the way I was going to teach it using the code 1 or even the code 2. I'm going to teach it in a totally, what are they talking about? Cannabis, Coke, and a smile? Anyway, I'm going to teach it in a completely different way. This is actually going to be romper room simple to teach and romper room simple to learn. And you guys are going to love this. You really are. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video and show you all that I have been through to get everything all set up, spend all this money on all this equipment, and guess what? I don't even need it. I don't even need it. I just accidentally made a huge, gigantic breakthrough in the whole entire code, making everything way easier, way more simple, way more profitable. How would you like to be able to make 300 ticks a day, 500 ticks a day? Easy. How would you like to be able to do that? I can show you how. I'm gonna show you that I can do it. And then you're gonna, and I'm telling you, it has nothing to do with trading. It has nothing to do with nothing. All you have to do, you guys are not gonna believe this. I don't even believe it. I just got back from celebrating, basically. It's late at night to me. What time is it? It's like almost midnight for me. I just got back from celebrating because of my new discovery that I just made. And you guys are gonna really, really, really like this. But guess what? You're not gonna believe it either. Even I don't believe it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this video now and I will get the course done. It won't take very long from here. This is actually gonna be very simple to teach. And the thing is though, this information is worth a fortune. It's worth an absolute fortune. And, but for all of you that have already purchased, I want to take care of you and help you out. So I'm gonna give you a real discount on this, make it affordable for you. But for everybody that's new, I can't, I don't want to sell this information for the price I've been selling it at. It's like that. I mean, you cannot imagine what I'm going to offer now. Even I don't even believe it. It's just unbelievable that I never saw this before. And this is really going to make all the difference. For you guys that have been struggling or something like that, there's no way you can struggle with this. Not possible. So, you were really going to like this, and I'm going to come out, I'm going to start demonstrating. I'll show that how many ticks I can make, 300, 400, 500 ticks a day, easily. Trading 2 or 3 different instruments a day, very easily. Anyway, I'm going to cut this video now, and I will be done with the course as soon as I can. Give me 1 week, and I'll be done. Happy trading out there, everyone.